Here is how to record your microphone in OBS Studio. So first, open your OBS Studio application. Here, you need to go ahead and access the settings. Click on the file in the top right corner and select settings. Now, once you're in the settings, navigate to the audio settings by tapping on audio. Now, enable and select your microphone. Here under global audio devices, locate mic/auxiliary audio. It might be disabled. To click on the drop-down menu next to it and then select your microphone. You can choose the microphone you want to use from the list. Apply and confirm by tapping on apply and then tap on OK. Now you need to return to the main OBS window and look at the audio mixer section. You should now see your microphone listed there. Speak into your microphone and observe the audio meter. If the green bars move, OBS is successfully detecting your voice. And you can adjust your microphone's volume by dragging the sliders in the audio mixer. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.